Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to design your layouts using Radii. So open your Radii and come up with a design. For example, if you want to make a button rounded, let's play around with the rounding. Let's see. So you've got those letters there, LB, LT, RT, RB. What LB means is left bottom, LT left top, RT right top, RB right bottom. So you'll see that as you move the seek bar, our layout right here on top is responding in real time. So you can design any UI element in real time, or you can move all the sliders at once to set the radius of the view. So for example, we can set it to something like 19. Okay, 19. Then we've got the gradient direction, top to bottom, bottom to top, top left to bottom right to bottom left to top right to bottom left. So let's see how the gradient works. Let me have red there. Then on color 1, let's have something bluish like that. So you'd see that if you change this, it changes accordingly. Then beside from the main colors, you can also stroke the view. Let's have a stroke of green. Let's see how it will look like with green, and let's stroke that. So you can see you're able to add stroke on that, and then you're able to modify it in a way that you want, something that fits your needs. Let's get this code, for example, and set it on a button and see if we get a button that looks like this. So to copy this code, you need to edit here, add the name of the view that you're designing for. For example, if you're designing for button 1, which is the ID, you put button 1 there and copy the code. Then now you need to open your Sketchware and add this code in add source directly block. So let's open our Sketchware and experiment. I'll add a button and name it button 1. Okay, so in this example, I'll quickly add a linear and center the content of this linear, which is the button. Let me put the button. I said I would put a button and name it button 1. Okay, so there is the ID, button 1. So we're going to set that code in add source directly in on create. Add your add source directly block, then add the code that you copied from Radii here, like that. So the ID is here and everything else that we modified on the code along with it. Save and run it. Let's install it and see what we get. Okay, so we open the project and see the design that we just made right here on our button. Let's go back to Radii and try out another design and see what we get. Let's go with okay, let's remove the stroke. We remove the stroke. Let's add some shadow. Then let's change the colors to let's see, I don't know what colors you like. Probably play around with random colors. Yeah, so I'm sure with your UI design sense or the design guide in Radii, you should be able to get some really cool UI designs. Okay, let's try a rounded button. Copy the code, open your Sketchware, go to add source directly, non create, and paste it here. So let's erase this and paste the new code. Save and go back, and let's run it and see what we get. Install. There we go. So you see whatever you design in Radii can be implemented in your Sketchware and it will look almost exactly as your design in Radii. I hope you enjoy Radii and develop more cool UI.